We are the best custom home builders. Are you looking to transform your house into the home of your dreams? Look no further than K&T Custom Home Builds, your trusted partner in residential renovation. At K&T Custom Home Builds, we take pride in our craftsmanship, attention to detail, and commitment to excellence. Our team of experienced professionals has been serving Tomball, Texas, and all surrounding counties for years, bringing countless homes back to life. Whether it's a kitchen remodel, bathroom renovation, or a complete home makeover, we offer a wide range of services to suit your needs. Contact K&T Custom Home Builds today, and let us transform your house into the home you've always dreamed of.